guys, happy Friday. How's everyone keeping? I hope you're all keeping well and you're having a lovely Friday. The week has ended and we're going into the weekend. I'm wishing everybody a great lovely weekend. So today we're gonna go in with a part 2 of my seasonings and spices that you wouldn't want to not have in your kitchen, pantry or your cupboards. So I did a part 1 some few days ago and I promised to bring you the part 2, so we're gonna delve right into it. But before that, I've got something exciting to share with you. So I've got my Mindful Kitchen Spice Benefits. I've got a guide. This guide is gonna be printable. I'm gonna have it ready if you wanted to use it as a guide when you're going to the market to source your spices, or you're just a starter, you don't really use organic local spices and seasonings and you want to try this. This is going to be available. Just let me know in the comments if you want this guide, and I'm going to send you a copy for you to print or download and you can use it when you want. So without talking too much, let's dive into the video. So I've got some jars here. So these spices in the beginning, they were locally sourced from, like I said, like from West Africa. So I had them in like bags, and then I had jarred them in my sustainable glass spice jars with metal lids. So I just prefer this because it's not going to leach any plastics into my seasonings. These are really good for, it's got a really long shelf life. It can stay on the cupboard for a year. So a year and leaning into 2 years. So I don't want any microplastics in my spice, and to keep it airtight for longevity, I like the glass bottle and I just like metal like lids for sustainability purposes. As you know, I'm highly plastic free, so any chance to reduce some plastic is what I like. It's got a plastic lining, I mean, yeah, but we've done better. It's more glass and sustainable. So without talking too much, we're gonna get into the spices. So I've got a couple of spices here. The overview is we've got turmeric, we've got nutmeg, we've got calabash nutmeg, we've got cloves, we've got grains of Selim, aniseed, black peppercorns, red peppercorns, cumin, star anise on this spice guide. So what we're going to do is I'm just gonna pick up that and I'll let you know what it's good for, and we can just go in with that. So the first thing we're gonna go in with is some aniseed. So this is a sweet licorice-like spice. Like I said the other day, it smells so lovely, it's so soothing. The initial citrusy, sweet-like hints you get from opening it, it's so refreshing. I just really love it. If you're leaning to sweet herby smells that are not they're not overpowering, they're not too pungent, you're gonna love aniseed. It's so great, it's so delicate. It's great for seasoning your meats, especially fishes, chicken, or just marinating things like mushrooms, anything, tofu really. Anything you're gonna cook with is good for marinating and seasoning it to build your stock base for your soups and stews. It's so good, it's so easy on the stomach, it's great for digestion, it's so soothing. We even have aniseed in Gaviscon that shows you how soothing it is for stomach discomfort. So it's got a very sweet like smell, it's really nice. I can literally smell it all day. So this is what it looks like. It's got more of like a grainy wheat-like texture, and it's dark, it's greenish. It's more like some shades of green with like beige. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's very grass-like. So this is aniseed. So this relieves bloating, freshens breath, and then soothes the menstrual discomfort. So this is aniseed. You can make some teas with it as well, like use it for your loose tea leaves. So that is aniseed. So my next one I'm gonna go in is grains of Selim. My part 1 video, I spoke about grains of Selim because I've got lots of grains of Selim, so that is repeating itself in the tiny jars. So grains of Selim has got a smoky, woody smell. It's really pungent and really aromatic, so you don't want to go too heavy-handed on this. This is also known as guinea pepper. It's really, really great. It's very widely used in Senegal. They use it for a type of coffee, like tea-like beverage. It's really great when you roast it. It just gives you flavors and aromas that you cannot not like. So this is grains of Selim. It's great for coughs and colds. It's very peppery. So if you've got coughs and colds, just toasting it, the fumes of coming from it when you toast it is just it will just let you sneeze. It's really, really great for alleviating coughs and colds, and it's great for digestive issues and stomach issues too. So this is great for Selim. We're just gonna go into it and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is it. It looks more like, it looks like pea pods that are dried and dark. So it's not pea pods though. So it's like a sort of pod-like, and it's so fragrant. I love it. So this is what it looks like. You roast it. This looks pre-roasted, but you roast it to give it, like in a dry pan, to give it that toasty flavor. And when I was a baby or a toddler, my mom would make porridges with this. So this is really, really nostalgic. Like it reminds me of like porridges, maize, cornmeal porridge, and this being put in it. You can use it when you're making your curries, your meats, you're steaming your meats. It'll be really good with beef. You just put a few in it and you do not chew it whole. You just steam your meat with it. When it's tender, you can just take it out before frying your meat or adding it to your stews or whatever you want to add it to. If you want to consume this, it's good to toast it and crush it with a mortar and pestle to make it smooth and powdery. But I usually like to use this whole and let it infuse a flavor, and I take it out. I'm gonna try the coffee recipe with this and we're gonna see how it goes. So this is grains of Selim, also known as guinea pepper.